Alert 21. This could affect your life sooner than you think. Artificial intelligence has already begun to replace jobs, and almost no one is noticing. The change isn't noisy, it's silent. Companies are replacing entire teams with automated systems. Customer service being handled by chatbots, texts being created by algorithms, designs generated in seconds, code written by machines. Organizations like OpenAI have accelerated a transformation that was already underway. What used to take hours now takes seconds. But here's the most important point. The replacement doesn't happen all at once. First, the company tests the AI, then it reduces the team. Then it keeps only human supervisors. It's not mass layoffs, it's silent downsizing. Repetitive tasks are the first to go. Basic customer service, simple writing, standard design, initial technical support, administrative processes. Not because people are bad, but because predictable tasks are easy to automate. AI doesn't replace strategic creativity, it replaces repetition. The question isn't, will AI replace jobs? The question is, will you learn to use AI or compete against it? Those who learn to use artificial intelligence increase their productivity. Those who ignore it become replaceable. The future belongs to those who combine technology, strategy, and human decision. This isn't theory, it's a trend. The replacement has already begun. The only question is, will you be part of the change or part of the statistics? The future doesn't warn you, it arrives. This was another File 21.